Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So recently I just got a new tablet to introduce to you guys. It is the XPPen Artist 10 Pen Display 2nd generation. Let's unbox this. Thank you XPPen for sending this product to me for review. It got the new X3 Tech Pen, which I learned it has a new chipset and it's synchronized with tablet faster and more accurate. From the back of the box, you can see this is a 10.1-inch screen tablet with an X3 Elite stylus, display resolution up to 1920x1080 Full HD size, pressure level 8K, accuracy 0.5mm, viewing angle 178 degree, quite wide. It comes with full lamination and it supports Windows, Mac OS X, Android and Chrome OS. That's a nice pink color they have it there. My daughter sure will like it when she sees it. There are two USB Type-C connectors here. Here's the pen. Feel light and slick in design. Looks good. Let's see what's inside the box. Okay, standard warranty card, a glove, extra pen nibs, and the nib extractor. And there's a screen cleaner cloth. That's sweet. The cloth fabric feels soft and nice to wear. Fit nicely for the size of my hand. And here's some power cable for you to connect to. And lastly, here are all the items that is inside the box. And here's the clicking sound of the buttons. Alright, now we're gonna record the sound on the surface with pen whenever you draw. I think this product works very well in 2D drawings and 3D sculpting. Not much latency issues when I was testing out in Clip Studio Paint. Stroke, pressure sensitivity works great. In ZBrush it works great too. You can see and sculpt the details right on the screen. The only issues I have with this tablet is because the screen are a little bit too small. The rest are all good. If you plan to purchase this tablet, go for a bigger ones. It will definitely worth it when you start experiencing it. That's all. Thank you.